Hi everyone, thank you so much for watching. I am super excited because today we're opening up the April Ipsy bags. I have the Ipsy Glam Bag, the regular bag, and the Ipsy Plus, and these are my PR bags, and I think these are some of the cutest bags they've had in a while. Like, these might be my favorite. I know I've said this before, but I just love the colors of these. I guess the theme is Force of Nature. I can look at the card to double check. Yeah, Force of Nature. And I just think these are so cute. Oh, what's on the, is there like a little leaf on the zipper? You guys see that? I don't know. But yeah, I am super excited. I did try on the makeup items, or most of them that came in the bags, and so far so good. And they also sent over to me some items, and last month I think they actually had the items that they sent everyone who gets PR actually for sale, so I didn't check this time. But there is an Ipsy umbrella. I got way too excited when I saw this. I think it's so cute. I think the actual umbrella itself is just yellow. Isn't it bad luck to open an umbrella inside? So I won't do that. And then this hat, I want to put it on, but I have makeup on my face. I know I'll get this white hat dirty. I will wear this randomly. This is so cute to me. Force of Nature. Yeah, it says it right on there. And it matches the bags. Fuck it. We're gonna... Oh my god. I mean, I look like a dork, but like a cute, weird dork. I like it. It says small/medium on the inside, so I was like, will this fit my big head? I think it does. So yeah, we are opening Ipsy today. You guys, I have not asked you for Ipsy bag tips in a while, so if you guys have any new ones, please let us know in the comment section. Also, I will link in the description box the playlist I have for Ipsy, so you can go and look at past tips if you missed those, or just want a refresher, or just love Ipsy so much like I do, you want to watch more videos of it. And oh, announcement. So I wasn't able to select, but today Ipsy Choice is open for the Ipsy Plus for May. That's crazy. But yeah, I'm gonna take this off and let's get started. I want to keep it on, but when I wear hats like this, I feel like my hearing is different. We'll keep it on for a second because my hair is kind of dirty. So what should we start with? Let me put this back up. Can you even see it? So I think I have the items right. Sometimes they don't all come in the bags, but let's start off with the regular glam bag. And also, you guys, since I can't check what or like select what I want for the Ipsy Plus, anyone who gets PR can't, which is fine, understandable. Please let me know. Wait, is it choosing for this month? I said something wrong, you guys. We're picking for April. I'm all confused right now. I'm too excited. And I wasn't able to do it, so I didn't pay as much attention. Let me double check my email. Yeah, your April bag. So ultra personalization is here. You get to reveal your 2 Ipsy picks and then choose 3 full-size items. And by the way, if you guys aren't yet subscribed to Ipsy, the link is always down below. It's not an affiliate link, it's like the referral link we all get, so that will be there. And the regular glam bag is $12 and the plus is $25, but I know you guys all know this because everyone is Ipsy, we love Ipsy here. And if you don't have Ipsy, you know what Ipsy is. But yeah, so it's for the April bag, excuse me. I don't know why I said May. I'm getting a little ahead of myself when I'm saying time's flying. But yeah, for me it doesn't load. But one of you guys let me know that was a reason, because for PR you just don't get to choose, which is fine. I'm not complaining, but I want to know. You guys send me what your choices are. You can DM me on Instagram or leave a comment down below. Let me know if you're happy with them, unhappy, and yeah, what the choices were, because I'm really excited. And if they match anything I'm opening today. Let's get the regular bag out again. So cute. I love the colors. Oh my god, like I really do. The red, like the mint and the blue. So there's 2 items I used. One was skincare. I had to use it when I saw it, and it's the Tatcha, the water cream. I haven't used this in so long. Is this not focusing because my face? The lights are barely on. This happens every time. I don't know why. You guys don't really need to see this. It just looks like all the Tatcha products. And I really like this cream. Tatcha is just really expensive. It's their pore perfecting Japanese wild rose for normal to oily skin. And I like their products. I think they smell good. Let's take a little snifferoo. Yeah, I think I don't know, maybe it's just because I've been cleaning or something. I'm like, it smells like soap. But good soap. Yeah, I like it. I've used it before. Happy to get it because it is expensive, and sometimes the sample sizes that we get for Touch are even smaller than this, so appreciate that. And then I use one other item, and that is what is on my lips, and I really like it. And this is by Bare Minerals, and you guys, I've liked the stuff I've received from Bare Minerals lately. Like, there's kind of a brand I kind of thought was like boring or something, or like just dismissed. I don't know. I just never really thought much about them. But I've been liking the lip products, especially I've been getting. So this is like a lip balm slash lip gloss. Like, more like a gloss how it looks, but it does feel like a lip balm, so it's not sticky, super comfortable. What do they call this? Yeah, Mineralist Lip Gloss Balm in Sincerity. And I like getting lipstick minis like this. I'll probably go through it. I think it's a really pretty color. What do you think? And then we got another makeup item, but I didn't use it today because I have so many mascaras open, like at least 3, but I've used it before. This is by Milk Makeup. It's their Kush mascara. And I do like this mascara, but I just prefer tubing mascaras 100%, and I don't stray from that often because I put it eyes, and I don't even have long eyelashes, but I always get transfer or flaking and stuff. And I will use this eventually and try it. But I remember it's like a pretty wet formula, but I liked it. So I don't know. I can't remember the transfer problem if I had that or not. So if you guys have used it, please let us know. And the last 2 items I did not try, and I don't think I've even heard of these brands. My Skinny Mask Australia. Skinny Mask. It's made with turmeric and vitamin C. It's a clay mask. You glow, girl. And the last item in the regular glam bag is by Mystique, I believe the brand is. Yeah, Mystique Hydro Serum. Oh, it's for your hair. Hydro Hair Serum. An essential dose of added nutrition for the finishing touch for an immaculate and visibly healthy hairstyle from morning to night. I'll try this. I get excited for hair products now that are like moisturizing and like beneficial in that way. Like, I don't really want styling ones like hairspray as much anymore because it scares me after I had my whole fiasco. That's why I'm in braids all the time. Your hair's not supposed to tangle and get matted and then get cut off by yourself when it's in braids. So, and I just really love the braids. But let's move on to the Ipsy Plus for April. Is this going to be like the quickest video I've done in a while? I think it is. So let's start with the eyeshadow palette. I like the balm a lot. I think they have the cutest packaging, and the palettes may like look boring or whatever, but they perform well, and they're like go-to everyday type palettes, at least the ones I own. And I love the like names of all their products. And this is a very awesome packaging because it's very eco-friendly. So it says clean beauty and green packaging, never-ending drama. The Balm and the Beautiful is the name of it. And they always have this kind of print, like old school, like 50s vibe going on. And they don't have a mirror, which is good for the environment. That is one of the major factors, I think, with makeup itself, with the like waste. So size matters, so reduce your carbon footprint. Size matters. I just got that. Please recycle this packaging. And even though it's like cardboard, it is sturdy. Like, it doesn't feel cheap or anything like that. I prefer this so much more over plastic. And you get 8 shades in here. And I actually put all of them on my eyes today. One of them I only put like a teeny bit just to see if they all go together. So there's like some cool tones, which I love, these mauvey purples. And like some gold, brown. Oh, I didn't use this light brown. I didn't use one of them. But yeah, they perform well. I really like the look. I like this kind of look with my eye color. I feel like it's flattering, and I just think it's so pretty. And it perform well. It's easy to use. Nothing to complain about. And then, did I use anything else in here? Yeah, I used one other thing. I'm stumbling over my words. I'm so excited. This is by RMS Beauty, and I actually did try this once. I got like a little packet. I feel like it came with another RMS product. The blush I used today too. Where did I get that blush? I forget what box I get things in all the time because I get so many boxes, but I got like a lip to cheek product by them, and Demure was the shade name. What box was that? I don't know, but it came with a little sample of this, and I really like it. I've been using, before this, the Ciate London Dewy Stick for my highlight, and because I'm all into cream products lately for my face. Like that's all makeup goes on your face. For my like base. And I like it, and then I got full size, and I was happy. Like, I seriously just tried it out like 2 days ago or something. So this is what it looks like. RMS is a very clean beauty brand. They're a little expensive, but they're very environmentally friendly, sustainable, and good for your skin too. And this is super pretty. It's just like what I like right now. It has a little glow. Here, where's my mirror? I'll put more on. Oh, I'm blocking you guys from it. My bad. Is my hat blocking you guys? Probably. I'm gonna use the viewfinder for my mirror, which doesn't work because I have poor vision. Well, it's just so teeny. Ooh, I think I look better with the hat on. Got a hat head. But I don't know, it's just very subtle but pretty. I was gonna put a little bit on my eyes, but I didn't because I was testing out the other palette. But I always like to put a little. Here too, I have lipstick on now. I did earlier. I don't know. I'm just super happy to have it. And it's probably like 30 something bucks. Yay. And then, how many left? 2 or 3? 3 items left, and I didn't try any of these. The first product is by the New Company, and I just received something else by them, like the resurfacing compound, or was it by another brand? But I've received something else by them, and I haven't tried it yet. But this is the Pill All-in-One Serum, AHA, Vitamin C, and HA. So it has glycolic acid, lactic acid, hyaluronic acid, and tiger grass to deeply hydrate, resurface, plump, and tighten skin. Like exactly what I need, so I'm really excited to try this. And then by item, a brand I unexpectedly really enjoy. Like, it's made by a TikToker. I'm like old, so I'm like, even though I did get TikTok famous for like one day once, that was all I need of TikTok for the rest of my life. But I heard that, and I'm like, oh, it's probably just like to make money. But I like the products I've tried by Item Beauty. I've tried their concealer, which I liked. I'm already out of it. I got through Ipsy. And then I have their like dewy mist. I'm pointing where like, it's like I leave it on my desk because I use it often. And this is a skincare item. So this is their Light Sauce Balancing Gel Moisturizer for Oily and Combo Skin. So I'm excited to try it. And last but not least, we have by Cocoa Kind. I read that different. I took out one of the O's. Cocoa Kind for all skin types, oil to milk cleanser, prebiotic cleanser for soft and replenished skin. Nice. It's clean. It's free of all these nasties. What a green box, right? Is that like what the theme is? Force of nature? Because everything was like from brands. There's like sustainable, even the packaging. Oh, toxic-free brands list. Maybe we should read this. Force of nature. Whether you love your naked face or feel naked without your red lipstick, do what feels natural to you. When confidence is the first step in your routine, you can't be stopped. That's so true. If you're feeling good that day, you're gonna look good. 100%. This month we're celebrating products, practices, and looks that let your natural beauty shine. We're talking pops of sunny yellow, skin that's fresh as morning dew, flower manis, and more. Your Glam Bag products are here to inspire you. So it doesn't say it's all clean beauty. I'm just happy that they're supporting these brands. And I think it was a freaking good month. What do you guys think? I will be getting my paid bags eventually, so we will talk about that when the time comes. And when I read Manny on that card, I wanted to be like, you guys, look, I painted my nails. I think I'm going to talk about this in the next video. I think I'm going to do like a PR type haul, but I tried a gel manicure, and I did a decent job. I've tried it before, and this time I used nail polishes by Nail Addict. I have a 40% off code with them. I'll leave it down below if you guys are in the market, but I think I'm getting better at it, and once I get it down, that'll be so nice having nail polish it last for 3 weeks that you can do at home. Super easy, and they have really pretty colors, and 40% off is pretty sweet. And you can just get like one of the lamps they sell on their site, so you just like put your nails under there for 30 seconds each time. Super quick. It's just mine look a little, like from far away I think they look good, but my hands in general look a little nasty because they're so dry. But I'm going to stop talking about my hands. I'll talk about them in another video. I don't know what day. I'm going to try and do a video Sunday, but I can't make any promises. Oh no, it's Easter. I'm going to be with my family. Probably not. But so, I'll either see you Sunday or Monday. I hope you guys are all having a great day. Happy Friday, by the way. Usually I start the Friday videos off that way. I'm just so excited about Ipsy. But yeah, make sure to tell me what you picked and what the options were. And again, if you like them, if you're upset, happy, whatever. And yeah, have a happy Easter if you celebrate. Have a great weekend, and I will see you soon. Love you guys. Bye.